Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Chevrolet Cruze versus Mercedes. We'll explore key differences in their design, performance, and overall value. Understanding these distinctions will help you decide which vehicle better suits your lifestyle and financial goals. Let's dive into the specifics of what each brand brings to the automotive market, starting with their fundamental characteristics and target audiences. When it comes to performance, the Cruze generally provides reliable, economical transportation, often achieving over 30 miles per gallon combined. Mercedes, however, focuses on powerful engines, precise handling, and cutting-edge driver assistance systems. You'll find a more refined interior in a Mercedes, with premium materials and advanced infotainment, while the Cruze offers practical comfort and essential features. The initial purchase price is a major differentiator. A new Chevrolet Cruze often starts below $25,000, making it an accessible option. Mercedes-Benz vehicles, conversely, typically begin above $40,000, reflecting their luxury positioning. Furthermore, expect higher ongoing costs for Mercedes in terms of maintenance, parts, and insurance premiums, which can add up over time. Ultimately, your choice depends on your priorities. If you need a dependable, fuel-efficient car for daily commuting with a lower entry price, the Chevrolet Cruze is an excellent option. For those who desire superior performance, luxurious comfort, and advanced technology, a Mercedes-Benz will likely be more appealing. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.